Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Rear Bumper for 2025 Plus CFMoto U10 XL Pro Highland. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project. So gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Install mounting brackets. Begin by installing the 3 mounting brackets on the bottom of the bed floor. Start by hand threading the hardware to ensure proper alignment and to prevent cross-threading. Use an impact driver with a 5mm hex bit to fully tighten the 3-button head bolts, securing the bracket in place. After tightening the 3 bolts on the first outer bracket, repeat the same process on the opposite side. The center bracket installs using 2 bolts, as shown here. Step 2. Install rear bumper. Start by removing the tailgate. Unclip the 2 tailgate cables, then push the tailgate upward while pulling outward to remove it from the vehicle. Begin by hand threading the bolt and washer through the bumper and brackets. Then install the nuts on the back side. Once all hardware is installed and hand-tight, use an impact driver with a 6mm hex bit to tighten the bolts while holding the nuts in place with a 17mm wrench. Ensure all hardware is fully secured before proceeding. With the bumper installed, you can now reinstall the tailgate. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.